बचना है नौजवानों लो मैं आ गई।
हाँ दे दिल परदेसी नू तेनू नित दा रोना पै जाऊगा नाल रंजेठे जोगी दे तेनू जोगन होना पै जाऊगा।
इश्क दे लिया जख्मां दे खुद हंस के मुंह सी लांगी जे यार मेरा मैनू जहर दे मैं घट घट करके पी लांगी।
हाँ दे दिल परदेसी नू तेनू नित दा रोना पै जाऊगा नाल रंजेठे जोगी दे तेनू जोगन होना पै जाऊगा।
Jyotsna is such a person. She is an open book to people.
There's no word to describe that personality trait. Like एक ऐसा
It's
होता है
unpredictable,
that-
basically.
It's very unpredictable, but in a good way.
Yeah.
Because one moment she'll be like angry about something,
Yeah.
the next moment she'll be laughing on that same issue. कह रहे मैं क्यों गुस्सा कर रही थी इस बारे में. She switches really fast.
This time the weight of it all familiar. Rest assured we won't forget her, no matter the cost or burden.
he has been a very notorious kind of child. सिर्फ मम्मी और मेरे लिए था notorious, बाकी आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड के लिए he used to be very silent and shy.
Child of mine, I know in time you'll find that all we want is good for you. And rest your head, close your eyes and let us carry the cost and
Congratulations on your wedding. You know that I'm really happy that you're married and you know you found somebody that you love so much. And I'm really going to miss having you around in the house, and I'm going to miss all those random cooking sessions and makeup sessions and everything. I'm just going to miss everything about that.
Trust in the arms that hold you near. Open your heart and know there will be
The first conversation we had, I remember that he was walking in a park and there was some music playing piche. But in spite of all that loud noise, we kept having a conversation which was pretty long.
Touch my soul with mercy. Just
So I still don't believe that I'm getting married. It's like just two friends are getting together. That is how the bond we share with each other. It's more of a friendship bond than getting married with each other.
for love is still in me. We'll hunger and we'll bleed. The rising from the dust. We've seen how this is.
So he suddenly asked me कि so you're coming to my house tomorrow, right, to meet my parents. आओगी ना तुम? बोला हाँ ज़रूर आऊँगी. So next day when we came, all of us were pretty nervous initially. हम लोगों ने खूब बातें करी and suddenly his mom asked me, एकदम suddenly she's like, so Jyotsna आपको कैसा लगा? Do you want to take a step ahead. And before she could say, do you want to get married to my son, I was like, auntie, I really like your son and I want to marry Apoor. And Apoor का बस मुंह खुला रह गया था, वो कुछ नहीं कर पाया. जैसे ही my dad looked at him, so what do you say Apoor, do you like her? He was like, हाँ हाँ जैसे ज्योत्सना कहे. I am a very outspoken person. He's a very shy person, but our ideas are the same.
So for me, life is a journey. So I mean, I'm just going and going myself. And then ऐसा होता है कि एक बार कभी-कभी चमत्कार हो जाता है and you find yourself in someone else. So that is how it happened. So I just met her and it just clicked. And whatever I used to talk to her, it's like the same thing she, I get the vibes from her, the same vibes.
For love is still in me. We'll hunger and we'll bleed. The rising from the dust. We've seen how this is.
He's a very sincere guy, very decent, very chivalrous. So I love all that. I love him for everything he is, but these are the things which I love the most.
We shared a very nice common bond with each other. So it's like virtually connected, but our hearts really, attract to each other. That's it. I mean, we both love surprises. तो कुछ लाइफ में फन होना चाहिए, कुछ हमारी भी होनी चाहिए कि भाई कुछ हो रहा है, डर लग रहा है. Excitement is always what I look forward to it. So now we'll sail in the same boat and we'll get all this excitement ups and downs together. That's what I